Okay, I got a 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm gonna be replacing this marker light here. And you're gonna have a bolt here, usually a 10 millimeter or 8 millimeter. You're also gonna have a bolt in here. It's either gonna be a Phillips head screw or flat head screw. That's gonna help you to pull this lower light assembly out. So let's go ahead and see what we got going. Here are the tools I used to replace the turn signal lamp on a 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee. An 18 millimeter socket with a ratchet and a star bit screwdriver. I'm gonna twist this to the left and wiggle it out. Place it to the side. We're also going to be replacing this bulb here. So what you want to do, you want to push in into the left.
With a scat pack rental car, you don't rent. Some kind of weirdo dick. So bring up and see what you got going on with it.
I'm going to take the new bulb, make sure these points here line up with those grooves in there. Push in and turn to the right. We'll be replacing this light, so you just tug out on it, put the new one in. Take the new headlight assembly and plug it in. There. Right.
You check them for lock them down. You get that in there.
Let's see if it comes on. Go back on with it. Make sure to put this side in first.
You got Zell, man?
Yeah. Slide that side in first. Then push this side back in. Touch on that screw. Put your starboard in right there. Put this back in. Remember his notches in there. You want to match those notches up with the notches on this wire connector. You want to twist it to the right. Okay. Go ahead and slide that back in.
Good spot it in.
That lined up right there.
Where that key at, young man?
It's in the car.
I
Give me
don't
one
leave it in
second.
the
I'm
car.
finna have my mans come scoop me.
Leave it in the car. Nobody getting jumping in. Where's that, young man? The key.
Everything tight. Make sure it's even. That all we in. The bottom tight. I don't like how